About this item. 2-in-1 electric convenience. Experience ultimate versatility with the Parmidu electric vegetable grater and meat grinder, a powerful and multifunctional kitchen appliance designed to tackle both your vegetable and cheese grating as well as meat grinding needs, streamlining meal prep. Multifunctional accessories for vegetable and cheese grating featuring 5 sets of complementary attachments. This electric vegetable cutter and slicer effortlessly transforms vegetables into precise slices, wavy slices, thicker shreds, or finer shreds. It also excels at grinding cheese, cookies, and nuts into fine particles. Multifunctional accessories for sausage and kibbe making. In its meat grinder mode, it offers a professional meat mincing experience with 2 plates, a sausage kit, and a kibbe kit. Simply insert meat chunks and ingredients into the wider feed inlet, accomplishing both grinding and sausage/kibbe making in a single step. Wider feed inlet and hand protection design. Standing out from the competition, our product features a wider feed inlet and a hand protection device. This considerate design ensures safer, smoother, and faster feeding, saving time and effort in the kitchen. No more struggle with larger ingredients. Easy to clean. Redheart. We highly recommend cleaning all accessories under warm water. They are not dishwasher safe, ensuring the durability of components. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the versatile Parmidu electric cheese grater and meat grinder empowers you to explore a wide range of recipes and elevate your culinary creations to new heights. If you want to buy this product, the link is given in the description. About this item. Upgraded electric grater. The feeding tube diameter of this new professional vegetable, fruit and cheese salad machine has been improved and extended to 2.8 inches, which is suitable for cutting various vegetables and fruits. According to the customer and suggestion, we have updated the starting method of this salad maker. No need to press the button anymore. We also optimized the engine speed. 5 interchangeable cones. The salad maker has 5 interchangeable stainless steel cones to meet your different needs. Cut, chop or chop cheese, vegetables, fruit, nuts and more with the fine knife, coarse chopper, thin knife, thick knife, chopper. Powerful 250W salad maker. Our cheese grater has a powerful 250W motor that allows you to prepare food quickly, cut and chop ingredients efficiently, saving cooking time. One button operation. Connect the cone of your choice, press the power button, put the ingredients into the tube, press the ingredients slowly, and then put the resulting chopped or ground food directly into the bowl. Then take your time and enjoy your delicious meal. Easy to store and clean. The compact design of this electric salad maker fits perfectly on any kitchen table and does not take up much space. The blade and tube are removable and can be washed under running water or in the dishwasher. Megaphone note: the vegetable cutter cannot be cleaned with water, just wipe it with a slightly damp cloth. If you want to buy this product, the link is given in the description. About this item. Multifunctional chopper. This versatile food processor can slice, dice, julienne, and make potato fries. The slice thickness is 1 to 3 mm adjustable, julienne thickness is 2 to 3 mm adjustable. By using the included additional spacers, you can easily customize the thickness of your slices or julienne cuts to meet the requirements of different dishes. Note: chops only firm vegetables but not soft ones like beans, tomatoes, or spinach. When you hear a noise while using it, re-tighten the blade and try again. What you will get, along with the vegetable chopper, you will receive an assembly screwdriver, a cleaning brush, and cut-resistant gloves. For safety, please wear glove when you use machine. The screwdriver ensures easy assembly, while the brush simplifies the cleaning process. The included cut-resistant gloves provide extra safety when handling the blades. The machine can work continuously for 60 minutes. Note: the mandolin will be heat. Powerful performance, with 200W powerful pure copper motor, output 330 lb/h. This mandolin ensures fast and efficient cutting. Save time and effortlessly prepare your meals. The chopper features a secure snap design. Only when the snap is in place, the machine will start and is very easy to install, providing stability and safety during operation. Diverse accessories. The main machine is made of aluminum alloy, easy to clean and will not get rust. Equipped with various stainless steel cutting grids, blades, and cubes, including an 8x8x10mm dicing grid, a 10x10x10mm dicing grid, a 10x10x90mm French fry grid, 2 spacers, 1 slicing disc, 1 julienne disc, and 1 dicing knife. These accessories allow you to choose the appropriate cutting method and thickness according to different ingredients and DSH requirements. Wide application. This electric vegetable processing machine can quickly process large quantities of vegetables and fruits, such as potatoes and onions for dicing and slicing, perfect for commercial, home use. Also a good gift for chef, mother, friends. Christmas Day, and we provide 90-day free return and replacement. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Please be careful not to put the machine directly in the sink or directly under water to rinse. If you want to buy this product, the link is given in the description. About this item. Effortless and quick slicing/dicing. This versatile 3-in-1 kitchen electric slicer is designed for effortless slicing, dicing, or chopping of fruits, vegetables, or cheese. It comes with 3 interchangeable blades, allowing you to cut food into different shapes and thicknesses, making it perfect for various types of vegetables. Prepare your meals in less time, giving you more time to savor every dish and enjoy an unhurried, high-quality lifestyle. 100% food safe. The electric vegetable slicer is made from BPA-free plastic, ensuring the safety of the food you slice. Processed food is ready to eat, giving you the confidence to enjoy a green and healthy life and diet. Simple one-button operation. Place your food in the professional electric slicer's feeder, press the one-button switch, push the food, and the chopped food will come out of the outlet. The electric cheese grater is equipped with a pusher that keeps your hands away from the blade cone, ensuring your safety. Convenient storage. The slicer's compact body saves space and is easy to store. It's easy to carry, and the bottom of the machine has a pull-out blade storage box for storing the 3 blades, saving space and allowing for easy access. Easy to disassemble and clean. It's easy to disassemble, with no hidden corners that can harbor bacteria. Cleaning is a breeze, as it can be quickly cleaned with water or by hand, eliminating the need for tedious cleaning steps. If you want to buy this product, the link is given in the description. About this item. 114-watt professional model electric slicer/shredder. Large food chamber, adjustable food guide adapts to large or small loads. Just point and shoot, funnel guide directs ingredients where needed. Accessories for thick slices and ripple cuts, base wipes clean, dishwasher safe parts. Measures 11 by 4¼ by 8½ inches, 1-year limited warranty. If you want to buy this product, the link is given in the description.